What if the secret to youthful skin isn't a complex new chemical, but the fundamental building blocks of life itself? Welcome to the science of amino acids. Many products highlight a single hero ingredient, but science shows that when it comes to repairing UV damage, a synergistic cocktail of amino acids is far more powerful than any single molecule alone. A complete serum must supply a balanced profile of key amino acids. From proline, which makes up a third of your collagen, to BCAAs that signal your cells to initiate repair, each plays a vital role. Think of amino acids as the bricks and peptides as the foreman giving instructions. To build strong collagen, your skin needs both the instructions and the raw materials to carry them out. Don't let a single deficiency bottleneck your skin's repair process. Provide your skin with the complete amino acid complex it needs to thrive. Please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the link in the description for the full guide.